everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you a nice gift I bought myself because you gotta treat yourself sometimes. So I've been watching a lot of eyeshadow palette collection videos and I do not have any Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. So now I do. So I got this nice package from Colourpop. And it is the Dream Big collection. And I think it's 6 eyeshadow palettes. So this is the monochromatic palette vault. So let's open it up and see what kind of fun things we have. Okay, so it comes like this. And then it kind of accordion folds out. So yes, we have 6 palettes. All different colors. Let's start with the red and work our way down. All right, first up is the Main Squeeze palette. And it is this beautiful pinks and corals, and there's a gold. I really like all of those colors. Kind of matches what I'm wearing right now, actually. Ooh, let's not try to break it. Let's try not to break it the first time. So that is the first one. Next is the Orange You Glad palette. And it's all oranges and some mustard. Oh, actually it's coming out way more yellow on the camera than it is in real life. So this is like more like a peachy color. Okay, now it looks kind of peachy. Yeah. So that's the orange one. And then next, if I can get it out, whoop, is the Honey. So I'm going to say this is all yellows. Because I'm very smart like that, I can figure that out. So that's really pretty. I don't know that I've ever worn yellow eyeshadow, but there's some beautiful golds and bronzes in there. So that'll be fun to play around with. And then the green palette is Just My Luck. Very Irish. Again, I've never really worn green eyeshadow. I have green eyes, but I've never worn green eyeshadow. There's some fun colors in there. And then we've got the blue, which is Blue Moon. Those are really pretty. Okay, so far I don't usually wear green, blue, or yellow eyeshadows. I tend to stick with browns, pinks, and purples. But I can always try new things, right? That's what life's all about. And then the last, sorry, I'm a dork. Oh, there goes the packaging. And the last one is the purple one, and it is It's My Pleasure. It's all scratched up. And that is beautiful too. These are the kinds of colors that I like. Yeah, so we'll swatch. We've swatched them all. I'll swatch this one and we'll see how they perform on my art. Okay, so these, oh my gosh. These are the shades from the red palette. What's it called? Main Squeeze. So the mattes didn't swatch the greatest, but the shimmers really swatched well, especially that second to last color. So that's the Main Squeeze. So this is the Orange You Glad. I think that's what it's called. Orange You Glad. Swatched. Again, the shimmers show up a lot better than the mattes. But this one actually has a lot of really, really pretty colors for fall. So I'm excited to try this one more often. Okay, so here is the Honey palette swatched. This one swatched really, really nicely. So that is this palette here. I kind of made a mess already of the pressed glitter, but that's just something that I do. Okay, here's Just My Luck. This one, this green is gorgeous, and I would definitely wear that. So that is this palette here. But just my luck. I like this one as my favorite so far, I think. All right, here's the Blue Moon palette. This blue swatched really, really well. This one was a little chunky, the second to last one. Yeah, like I said, I don't use a lot of blue eyeshadows, but they're really, 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 really pretty. So I'll try it on my eyes and see how I like it. So that is this palette here. And this is the It's My Pleasure, so it's all purples. And this, I think this one's my favorite for sure. I mean, this really deep purple is gorgeous. This one, like, I love all of their shimmer shades. And these two mattes at the end here are really pretty as well. So that is this palette. So as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little palette unboxing. I have got a couple more eyeshadows that I bought recently, so I will do a little unboxing for those. They're both from Sephora. And yeah, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can subscribe here. And there's also more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.